What's up, guys? BNF here, and today it is the drone drop. Yes, that is right. I am now doing drone drops along with quad box as well. So this is the April 2019 drone drop. I have not opened it up. I have no clue what's inside. So let's go ahead and see what we got this month. Let's see here. Looks like it's a kebab FPV themed box. Cool stickers. Some type of, looks like a, I guess that's a fuse on it. What is this thing? Looks like a smoke stopper. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Smoke stopper with a built-in fuse on it. That's kind of cool. And then looks like we got a USB. Looks like a USB, some regular USB to a micro USB cable. I guess that's good to connect your flight controller up and whatnot. Looks like we got some props. 514066 by 3 racing and freestyle props. I don't have a set of these, so these would be nice to try out and see how they do. Got 3 sets. And looks like we got a frame this month. Doesn't say what kind of frame, but let's go ahead and put this thing together and see what it looks like. Alright, so that's the frame built, but funny enough, they forgot to drill the holes in the arms. So, like, I've checked my emails, and indeed, they're shipping everybody who had a drone drop 4 new arms that have the actual other screws in them. Because you see, there's no hole. That's hilarious, actually. But, I'm not sure what kind of frame this is. I mean, this is a floss style right here, which kind of resembles it a little bit. It's a little higher. The arms are in a skinny. But, yeah, so this is the frame for drone drop for April 2019. This is why the drone drop was so late, because they were waiting, I guess, on this. Can't really do much. I mean, I can do a weight on it. The arms look like they're about 4, I think they're 5mm thick. Let's do a weight real quick so you guys can tell. 91, is that 91? 96 grams. So 97, 96 grams. So that's pretty much how much it weighs. And like I said, it looks like there's 5mm arms, about 2mm top plate, 2mm bottom plate, and it has this brace in the bottom. So yeah, so this is the frame in the April 2019 drone drop. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna be doing these probably every month. I also do quad box and I do a whole bunch of tutorials. So subscribe and I'll see you guys in another video. I really think this thing is funny. It's missing a screw. I mean, that sucks, but what are you gonna do? But see you guys around. Peace.